Walang celebration ngayong gabi.
Dami na, uwian ng iba. Wala nang bagyo, uwian na.
Tumigil nga eh. Papunta tayo dito ng hapon. Bigyan ko lang ulit. No break rounds and that might be it. 14 points by Kelly Williams.
Balik 10.
In the previous game. Maybe, titira kaya ng 4 ito siya. The big difference dito, yung defense ng PNP.
Oo nga.
Down to 76. When they average normally 100. That should be that miss was good.
May last shot pa yan.
Lives for another day.
Pinatay ng oras, 66. 6-6.
Game number 6. This is the most satisfying win because kulang-kulang sila dito. And they still managed to win by their biggest margin so far. At the same time, in San Miguel, you know, they probably thought that this was going to be a walk in the park. They probably did. That's why they only shot 23% in the first half.
4 points pa yan ni Jericho. Akala. Pinaul pa mga ogag.
For a team that averaged 20 assists. You need to play team ball against a team
6-8 na yan.
Inis nga.
Dito, nagkakamayan yung dalawang coaches. Coach Leo, Coach Shot. And the rest of the brain trusts. Yeah, they will see each other again.
6-8.
And this championship series is to a game 6. And there is TNT Drummond Party winning 86.